What's up, guys? Econ John here. Welcome back to Marxist Economics. In this video, we're going to talk about different agents in the marketplace and how they are classified in Marxian theory. Let's go. Marx made a point that the understanding of the flow of resources can help us identify the exploitative agents in the economy and those who are not. A capitalist in Marxian terms is an individual who approaches the market with money with the end goal of making more money. There are three different types of capitalists: merchant capitalists, financial capitalists, and industrial capitalists. Marx spends a great deal of time on understanding the industrial capitalist because his method of exploitation is the most novel. The two non-capitalists are barterers and self-producers. These agents approach the market with goods to sell or trade for the sake of acquiring different goods from the one they enters with. The following diagrams are used to define each agent. Let's first note the non-exploitative agents. We have first the barterer, who first enters in with his consumption goods, and he trades it for a different set of consumption goods. Then we have our self-producers, those who use money as a medium of exchange first enter in with their consumption goods C. They turn it into money by going and selling them, and they acquire a different set of consumption goods as denoted by C prime. The three types of capitalists, which are the people who make more money out of an initial stock of money, are the merchant capitalists, who come in with M. They acquire goods and then they sell those goods for more money, right? As in, market prices constantly adjust, so he just waits around for an opportunity of arbitrage so he can go and make more money. The financial capitalist, right, which is pretty easy to understand, right? He goes and he comes in with money and he lends out that money on interest and he just makes more money that way, right? By charging people money to go and have this money now, this is how he's going and making his money. That's a lot of time saying money. The industrial capitalist, right, which is a little complicated, but it's pretty interesting. He first comes in with money and he acquires two things: means of production and labor power. That, in conjunction with C, which is the materials or the other goods, he goes and he produces a interesting good known as C prime, right? From C prime, he can now go and sell that and get M prime, which is more money. Note the difference between capitalists and non-capitalists is if they start with M or C. So those are the agents in the market. I'll see you in the next video.